equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, power off your HP ProBook 470G2 and unplug it. Gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean cloth for internal cleaning. Begin by removing the back cover. Unscrew the screws holding it in place. Keep them safe for reassembly. Once the cover is off, locate the speaker. Carefully disconnect the speaker cable. Inspect the area for dust and debris. Use the cloth to clean the internal components. This helps maintain optimal performance. Now, take the new speaker and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure it's securely attached. Replace the back cover, aligning it properly. Screw it back in place, making sure all screws are tight. Before you power it on, remember, professional diagnosis without obligation is available if you need assistance. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Always get a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Finally, power on your laptop and test the new speaker. Enjoy your improved sound. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.